everyone. Welcome back to my Poetry Corner. The poem I want to share with you today is called Did She Just Sneeze? Enjoy. Ugh! Did she just sneeze? I hope she covered her mouth, or at least turned her face, leaving germs and viruses all over the place. Ugh! Did she just sneeze? Somebody give me some hand sanitizer, please. Yeah, I'm paranoid, and you should be too, especially since her booger landed on you. So he, ha ha ha, go on and laugh. At least it wasn't me that was in her germy path. So moral of the story, from flu season and throughout, you better get out of the way, because she probably didn't cover her mouth.